The demand for Nikon products is so pent up that they've now run out of stock and aren't able to produce enough to meet the pre-orders. The ZFC, that miniature retro thing that they released, has been so popular.
Brilliant. Well done, all you Nikon users.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well done, Nikon. The ZFC has been so popular that pre-orders have outstripped supply, and now they cannot supply cameras to people. I can't decipher if that's good or bad, really. It's obviously good for them because it shows that there's pent-up demand.
Yeah.
It's bad for them because people can't buy their camera because there's not enough of them.
I think whatever Nikon do is going to be bad for Nikon fans. And I say that knowing that the comment section's going to go,
yeah, you're in for it now.
Yeah.
You're in for it.
It's going to come up with something, a really good argument for why it's worth waiting.
So I'm happy to admit on the record that we were harsh about the ZFC not because I thought it was a crap camera or the idea of it was rubbish. I really love the aesthetic. I know it's going to be good because it's Nikon. They do make good cameras. I just thought it was released in the wrong order. Release your flagship first, get all the hype, all your pro users thumbing you up, like, yeah. Then release the entry-level consumer model off the back of it.
Very traditional of you, AJ.
It's just marketing. Just seems to make sense. They've done it the other way around. And the demand for Nikon products is so pent up from their fans.
Yeah, the fans are going,
I'll buy anything.
Screw it. It's got Nikon in it. I haven't bought anything Nikon for ages. Yeah. I'll have it.
That they've now run out of stock and aren't able to produce enough to meet the pre-orders.
And yet this is a company that declared a loss of like 70 million last year.
Huge loss. You would think that they'd get this right. It's a big release. They don't make many releases. They're not Sony. Their business model is saturate the market with as many cameras as possible. People would keep talking about us. Nikon's like the opposite of that. They're like Zen.
Yeah.
We'll just release the occasional camera that's really good. Okay, cool. At least make sure you can supply it to people.
Yeah. Can we see the Z9?
And yeah, while you're at it, show us the Z9 already. Christ. Or just give it to one photographer. Just one person.
Isn't
Let them take a photo.
Out there in the camera world, they come up with this model, new business model. I say new business model. It's a very established business model of we're going to work on something, we're going to keep it secret. There'll be an embargo date where we'll release it to the world, what it is, and we'll keep this stum. Tell nobody.
Don't talk about it. Why?
But they leak a little bit, just enough to get you excited.
Yeah.
A bit of a dribble. I like that. I like the sound of that.
Ooh, I'm not sure.
Canon have released a little bit more about their 8K that's obviously going to go head to head.
Yeah. Are you leading me somewhere? Are you leading me up a path?
Well, I like that secretive approach. There's a little bit that you're hearing from the different companies.
But we don't want to release too much just in case someone steals the idea.
Nikon are just sat there going, what camera?
Yeah.
What camera? No, we know you're working on a camera. We've seen stuff, okay?
And then about 6 months ago or so, they were like, okay, we're working on a camera.
Well, I knew it. I knew there was a bloody camera.
Can we have some information on the camera?
What camera?
You've just said...
Oh, that camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, soon.
But like...
We're desperate for a camera. Here, have a cheaper one.
Hey, I'm a Nikon Pro user. You can tell because I've got the camera rattle on still.
Yeah. I'm wearing it as a lanyard for my ID.
It says Nikon on it as well, so you know. Yeah. Can I have a little bit more info on it?
You don't sound like a proper Nikon photographer though. I sound Nikon. you got to go full on nerd.
No,
because the comments are going to be so angry with this.
The comments get so angry, and if you're in the comments, just let us know how angry you are that we hit on Nikon. And I'm not going to stop.
Yeah, you've got to jive at them a little bit because it's ridiculous. They're a big boy brand doing big boy things, and they're making some big boy mistakes as well.
And if you think it's just about Nikon, it's not. I mean, if you're in the comments, tell me to pick any brand and I'll pick on them
Yeah.
because no one can tell us what to do.